Welcome to A Route an Hour. Please subscribe the channel. Let's talk about the C929, China's bold leap into the world of long-haul passenger jets. For decades, if you wanted to cross an ocean, you flew Boeing or Airbus. That's changing. COMAC's C929 isn't just another airplane, it's China's declaration that it's ready to compete at the highest level. Building a plane like this is one of the hardest things a country can do. Decades of research, billions in investment, and a legion of experts. The C929 is China's shot at mastering high-end technology and claiming a spot among global powers. For travelers, this could mean more competition, lower ticket prices, and new routes connecting cities worldwide. The C929 could redraw the map of global air travel. As the first C929s enter service with Chinese airlines, the world is watching. Can COMAC match the giants? Can they deliver on quality and support? This isn't just about one plane. It's about shifting the balance in a trillion-dollar industry long dominated by the West. The stakes are high, and the impact will be felt far beyond the runway. It's a story of ambition, engineering, and a nation's drive to rise. The C929 is more than a machine. It's a symbol of China's future. The duopoly is over. The game is changing. Whether you fly or not, the ripple effects are coming. The C929 is here, and the world of aviation will never be the same. Let's dig in. The C929 is born in Shanghai's massive futuristic factories, where precision is everything. Thousands of skilled workers and advanced robots assemble this jet, but it's a global effort. Engines, avionics, and landing gear often come from Western suppliers. COMAC's workforce blends veteran engineers with a new generation of globally trained talent, all focused on a single, monumental goal. China's ambition is to bring more of this work in-house, developing homegrown engines and avionics to achieve true aviation independence. The early C929s rely on international parts, but the plan is to replace them with Chinese technology over time. It's a long, difficult road, mastering every component from scratch. But China is determined. Building a modern airliner is a national project, pulling in expertise from across the country. The C929's assembly is a testament to China's industrial might and its drive to lead in aviation. This is how a giant takes flight. The C929 enters a ring dominated by legends, Boeing's 787 Dreamliner and Airbus's A350. Size-wise, it matches up, seating 280 to 320 passengers, with a range to rival its Western counterparts. COMAC aims to undercut rivals on price and operating costs, making the C929 attractive to airlines in emerging markets. But it's not just about specs. Boeing and Airbus have decades of reliability and global support networks. COMAC faces the challenge of proving the C929 can be just as dependable, with fast support and minimal downtime. Passenger comfort is key. The C929 uses advanced composites for a quieter, more efficient ride, just like its rivals. The real test? Millions of flight hours in the real world. Can the C929 deliver on its promises and earn airlines' trust? The competition is fierce, and COMAC has a steep climb ahead. The C929's success will be measured not just by numbers, but by performance and reliability. The battle for the skies is on. What sets the C929 apart? Advanced technology, inside and out. Half its structure is made from carbon fiber composites, strong, light, and fuel-saving. The cockpit is all glass touchscreens, integrated avionics, and fly-by-wire controls for safety and efficiency. Engines are the toughest challenge. Early models use Western power plants, but China's CJ2000 engine is on the horizon. Developing a jet engine is the pinnacle of industrial engineering, and China's progress here is a milestone. The C929's wings are aerodynamically optimized. The cabin is quieter and more comfortable, and even the landing gear is built for durability. Every detail is engineered for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. The C929 is a showcase of China's technological ambition. It's not just a plane, it's a modern marvel built to compete with the best. The future of flight is being redefined. The C929 is a cornerstone of China's Made in China 2025 strategy, aiming to lead in high-tech manufacturing. Building this jet means building an entire ecosystem: advanced materials, software, machine tools, and a skilled workforce. The C929 follows the C919, giving China a homegrown option for both narrow and wide-body markets. The goal: dominate the domestic market, then expand globally, keeping billions in China's economy. State-owned airlines are incentivized to buy Chinese, guaranteeing a launch customer base. There's a strategic angle too. Technologies from the C929 can be adapted for military use, boosting China's air power. The C929 is about economic self-sufficiency and national security. It's not just about moving passengers, it's about projecting power. This plane is a symbol of China's ambition to lead in the 21st century. The implications go far beyond aviation. For decades, Boeing and Airbus ruled the skies. Now, COMAC's C929 breaks the duopoly. China's domestic market alone is massive. If the C929 wins even half the orders, it's a huge blow to the Western giants. COMAC is also targeting airlines in Asia, Africa, and beyond, leveraging China's global influence. More competition means airlines get better deals, and passengers could see lower fares. But breaking into the global market isn't easy. The C929 needs certification from Western regulators to fly worldwide. Gaining trust from international airlines used to Boeing and Airbus is a monumental challenge. The C929 isn't just selling a plane, it's selling decades of reliability and support. The stakes are high, and the market just got a lot more interesting. The C929's arrival forces everyone to innovate and adapt. The two-horse race is now a three-way sprint. The C929's debut marks a seismic shift in global aviation. For the first time in half a century, a new contender challenges the West's dominance in long-haul jets. This means more competition, more innovation, and potentially lower prices for travelers. For China, it's about industrial power and strategic capability, skills that translate to both civilian and military aviation. The journey won't be easy, but the C929 is a wake-up call for the industry. The giants of today must adapt or risk being left behind. The future of flight is changing, and there's now room for a new major player. The sky just got a lot bigger.